In this video, we will show you how to use the PCE-TDS 200 correctly. First, connect the sensors to the device sockets. Then, attach the sensors to the pipe. The device offers 4 measuring methods. These determine how often the sound passes through the medium. The V method is the standard measuring method. It provides an optimal balance between signal strength and accuracy. The W method is used for very small pipes. In this method, the sound path is artificially extended to increase measurement accuracy. The N method is used for medium-sized pipes when the sensor spacing required for the V method is impractical. The Z method is suitable for very large pipelines or highly dampening media. Here, the sound travels directly through the pipe, resulting in minimal signal loss. Now, let's look at the most important settings using a water pipe as an example. Set the pipe material. Wall thickness and pipe diameter. Additionally, enter the pipe medium, the sensor size, and the measuring method. The measuring device will then display a recommended sensor spacing for installation. Position the sensors between 1 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Apply sufficient coupling gel between the sensor and the pipe. You can now perform the measurement. The results will appear on the device display. To avoid measurement errors, please observe the following instructions. Coatings can distort the results. Therefore, remove the coating by sanding it off. If too little coupling gel is applied, the measurement becomes more difficult. Make sure to use a sufficient amount. At 12 o'clock, air is often present inside the pipe. At 6 o'clock, deposits can distort the measurement results. Therefore, mount the sensors on the side of the pipe. To ensure the sensors receive the sound correctly, make sure they are aligned horizontally. In the presence of interference sources, such as pumps, bends, valves, or gates, install the sensors at a sufficient distance. This way, you obtain measurement results you can rely on. In line with our principle, trust in every measurement.